In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get DLC in Steam. If you want to find extra content for the games you already own, Steam makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. DLC, or downloadable content, can include things like expansion packs, bonus missions, cosmetics, music, character packs, or other add-ons made for a specific game. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to browse for DLC directly inside Steam so you can discover content that matches your library. To get started, open Steam and go to the store. This is where Steam lists games, add-ons, bundles, and featured content. The store is the main place you'll use when you want to find anything new to purchase or explore, including DLC for games you already have. Once you're in the store, click on Recommendations. This section is helpful because Steam uses your account activity and game library to suggest content that may be relevant to you. Instead of manually searching through everything in the store, recommendations can make it easier to find add-ons connected to the games you play most often. After that, select DLC for you. This area is specifically designed to show downloadable content for games in your library or content that Steam thinks is relevant to your interests. It's a convenient way to narrow your search and avoid scrolling through unrelated items. If you have several games installed or owned on your account, this section can save you a lot of time. Now, you can start selecting and discovering DLC for your games. As you browse, take a moment to read the title and look at the details so you know exactly what each add-on includes. Some DLC expands gameplay in a major way, while others are more cosmetic or optional. It's always a good idea to check whether the DLC is for a game you already own, since most add-ons require the base game in order to work. Also keep in mind that DLC is not usually free. In most cases, you'll need to buy it at a listed price before it's added to your account. Prices can vary depending on the type of content, the game, and whether there's a current sale. If you want to save money, it may be worth checking for discounts or bundles before purchasing. And that's all you need to do to find DLC in Steam. Just go to the store, open recommendations, choose DLC for you, and then browse the available add-ons for your games. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.